What if I told you that everything you see in your life right now, your money, your health, your opportunities, is the direct result of your thoughts? Not your luck, not your background, not your circumstance, your thoughts alone. And if you don't understand this principle, you could be unknowingly creating the exact life you don't want. So, guys, welcome back to our magical life. Today, let us see chapter number 4, the first principle in the science of getting rich. Look around you. Everything, the screen, your phone, the building you are in, was once just a thought in someone's mind. So here is the real question. What are you creating right now? There is a powerful idea from the book, The Science of Getting Rich. It says that there is a formless, intelligent substance everywhere in the universe. And this substance responds to our dominating thoughts. Every single thing in existence started as a thought in this invisible field. And when a thought is held long enough, it begins to take form, or it begins to manifest in the reality, slowly or sometimes faster than you expect. Think about a tree. It doesn't just appear overnight, isn't it? First, there is an invisible idea, then a seed, then growth, then eventually a massive tree. Your life works the same way. What you repeatedly think is what you are planting. Now, here is where most people go wrong. They think based on what they see around. If they see lack, they think I am broke. If they see problems, they think life is so hard. If they see failure around them, they think I can't do this. And that is exactly why nothing changes in their life, because they are reinforcing the same reality again and again through their thoughts. The secret is this. You must learn to think the truth or the dream life which you wanted to manifest, even when your current reality shows you the opposite. So, you need to think abundant when you see poverty, and you need to think health when you see illness, and you need to see success when everything feels like failure. This is not delusion, this is creation formula. The book explains something powerful. You are not just a person living in the world, you are a thinking center in a thinking universe. And when you hold a clear, focused thought about the magical life you want to manifest, you are sending a command into the very substance of reality itself. But here is the catch. This will only work if you can hold the thought consistently without doubt. And that's where most of the people fail. Because thinking differently from what you see in your life is a bit hard, isn't it? So it requires discipline, it requires focus, and it requires belief. In fact, this is the hardest work you will ever do. But it is also the most powerful tool for manifesting your dream life. The moment you master your thoughts, you become what the book calls a mastermind. Someone who is no longer controlled by circumstance, but someone who creates them. So, here is what I want you to do today. Start observing your thoughts. This is a bit difficult, but it will help you out. And ask yourself, are my thoughts creating the life I want to manifest, or the life I am trying to escape from? Because once you truly understand this, you will realize something powerful. Your future is not waiting for you, it is being created by you right now through your powerful thoughts. So, let us see the powerful lessons from this chapter. Number 1, your thoughts creates your reality. Everything you experience in your life begins as a thought. Your current reality is equal to your past dominating thinking. So, change your thoughts. Then that will lead you to changing your life. Number 2, there is a thinking substance everywhere. The universe is not random. It is filled with a responsive, intelligent energy. This substance reacts to your dominating thoughts and turns them into your reality. Number 3, thought is the most powerful creative force. Not action alone, but thoughts plus intention creates results. Every invention, success, and achievement started in the mind first. Number 4, creation takes time, but it always starts instantly. The moment you think clearly, the creation begins. But the results often appears in the reality through natural process, opportunities, and people and circumstance. So it will form in the reality, or it will manifest in the reality little bit later. Number 5, you are a creator, not just a worker. Most people work hard on existing things, but few people create new realities through their thinking. You have the ability to shape your life intentionally. Number 6, you must think beyond appearances. Reality can deceive you. If you think based on what you see, you will be stuck. True power is thinking abundance if you are in a poverty currently, and thinking about the success when you are in your failure. Number 7, repetition of thought is the key. Understand that one random thought will not change your life. Consistent, repeated thinking shapes reality over time. Number 8, focused thinking is the hardest work. Most people avoid deep thinking. It's easier to react than to constantly create. But success requires sustained, disciplined thought control. Number 9, master your mind is equal to master your life. When you control your thinking, you stop reacting and you start creating your desired life. This is what makes a master mind. Number 10, doubt is the biggest enemy. Doubt weakens your creative power. Mixed beliefs is equal to give you mixed results. Means mixed beliefs gives you mixed results. You must develop absolute faith in your vision. Number 11, clear vision is essential. You can't create when you don't clearly imagine or visualize. The clearer your mental image or visualization about your dream life or what you want to manifest, the stronger the creation process. Number 12, your actions follow your thinking. Behavior is a reflection of your mindset. If you think differently, you act differently and you get different results. Number 13, you can become anything you think consistently. There are no fixed limits. If you hold a vision strongly enough, the reality will eventually align with it. So, what is the ultimate takeaway from this chapter? Number 1, you are not a victim of the circumstance. Number 2, you are a creator using thought as your primary tool. So, control your thoughts, hold on to your vision about your dream life you want to manifest, and eliminate doubt. These are the tools. And your external world will begin to change. So this is chapter number 4, and in the next video I will show you the exact step-by-step method to use this principle to attract money in your life. So make sure you subscribe, because this might be the idea that change everything in your life. So thank you guys. We will see in our next video.